Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Ariston boiler error sp1. If you want to fix the Ariston boiler error sp1, then we need to follow some steps. If your Ariston boiler is displaying the sp1 error code, it means there is an issue with the gas valve. The first step in troubleshooting this error is to check the gas supply to the boiler. Make sure the gas supply is turned on and that there are no issues with the gas line. If everything seems to be in order, you may need to call a professional to inspect and potentially replace the gas valve. So this is the sp1 error code mean and how to fix the sp1 error code in your Ariston boiler. One simple and effective way to potentially fix the sp1 error on your Ariston boiler is to reset the boiler. To do this, locate the reset button on your boiler, usually a small red button, and press it for a few seconds. This may help to clear the error code and reset the boiler system, allowing you to function properly again. That's it. Hopefully after your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.